Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making bottle gourd dessert Kaddu ki kheer. Bottle gourd 250 grams. Peel the skin. Cut into big slices. Remove the seeds. Remove the seeds. Grate the bottle gourd. I am using food processor. Take thick kadai or pan. Ghee 2 to 3 tablespoons. Chopped almonds. Fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Keep aside. Chopped cashew nuts. Fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Keep aside. Cardamom 2 to 3. Same pan, add grated bottle gourd 2 cups. Saute for 10 minutes on medium heat. Full thick cream 1 liter. Cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. Condensed milk half cup. Sugar half cup. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Dry fruits on top. Yummy kaddu ki kheer is ready to eat. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.